If you want to learn more about what's happening in Hawaii, please click the subscribe and like button below. It's your passport to be more educated about this wonderful place called Hawaii. You can learn more about activities, sites, culture, and much, much more.
Hello, my name is Ruka, and today I'm gonna make starfruit candy. But you should not eat starfruit if you have kidney disease, because it's bad. And then I'm going to show you how to make starfruit candy. Let's start. We want to cut the dirty part off, or the ugly part. So you're gonna have to cut it off. And then now you want to cut it really, really thin, like this. So if you look closely, it kind of looks like a star. So as I was saying, it kind of looks like a star. So now I could continue my cutting. You're gonna want to put all of this on this, and then you're probably gonna want that to get spreaded out. So now we got all of them. With these could just stay on the side because they're too big. So now, see this brush? We're gonna paint this with honey water. So now I got it on. This only goes for 30 minutes. We have to do it twice. But the temperature has to be 200. That's a lot. It's been 1 hour now. And look at this starfruit. It's cooked now.